It's all wonderful, fresh cooked right in front of you, and it makes for a unique dining experience. And I have people say, I haven't had any green beans like this since my grandma made them. Food in the South is very significant. People pass down recipes from one generation to the other, things that you've eaten at grandma's house, and you get the opportunity to go back and reunite with those flavors over the years. It's those wonderful food memories that you want to pass on.
I am a connoisseur of good food, and I think I've hit the right spot tonight.
What we attempt to do here at Chef Joe Randall's Cooking School is give people an adventure in dining. You come, you sit down, you relax. It's all wonderful, fresh cooked right in front of you. We take traditional Southern recipes, and then we add a little bit of our classical training to make a unique experience for the customer. Every now and then you're 20 people and all of a sudden it's quiet in the room. That silence means they're busy eating and it's good. My wonderful wife welcomes people as if she was welcoming into our home. We believe in our philosophy about food. Keep it simple, we make it taste good. So we hope that they will leave here full with a little South in their mouth.